Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been MIA for some time, but I'm back in a new place, so I should have videos more regularly now. So what I wanted to do for my first video back was record one on how to put fake lashes on. So here's what I have on for today. So the lashes I have on today are the Tarte Goddess lashes. You can get them at Ulta or Sephora or online on Tarte.com, I'm sure. I will link where I got mine in the description bar. So if you're interested to see how I put my lashes on, please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that we would do before we apply our lashes would be to apply some mascara. I have applied the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Looks like this. I like it because it has this really thin wand, so it gets in really close, and so when you put your lashes on, lashes look really natural and really tight to your lashes. The other thing I use to help apply my lashes is this little lash applicator from Tarte. It looks like this. It's got this little bent little part right here that would fit right into your eye, so that way when you squish your lashes to your eye, it matches the shape of your eye. The lashes we're going to use today are Tarte lashes in the style Goddess. Here's one of the lashes. Here's what they look like. They're little wispy ones. So the first thing that we would do is make sure our lash is all cut and in shape and good in size. So what you would do is you would just take your mirror and just see that your lash is a good size, that it's not too far and not too close, so it actually looks really natural. And then you would apply some glue. I use the Kiss glue with aloe vera, and it doesn't have any latex in it, which is really nice. And this glue actually keeps my lashes on all day. I don't have to take it with me or anything like that, and it makes it really nice. I like the little applicator on the glue. It's very very thin, so easy to apply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lash and I'm just going to apply some strip glue to it, just like so. And you just want to apply enough to where it's not a good amount, but where it dries and it's not going to slide around on your eyes. Next, what you're going to do is just wait for that to dry. What I like to do while it's drying, just take my lash and kind of go like this, especially if it's a new lash that hasn't been used, so that way, here I'll get in closer so you can see, so that way it's really easy to apply. You just pop it on, and then once it's dry on your eye, you just kind of push it in closer so it sticks and makes it look more seamless, like you're not even wearing any lashes. So we're just gonna let this dry, and then what I'm gonna do is just take my mirror, take my lashes or my lash, and just apply it just like that to my eye, and then we're just gonna push it in. Now this took me a lot of practice to get this so quickly and so easily. Granted, these are cut rather perfectly to my eye shape, so it makes life very easy, but it's a lot of practice. I used to put lashes on all the time and just they would look horrid. So now all I want to do is just make it less seamless, since I don't have any eyeliner on my eye, so we don't want it to look like we have anything on our eyes. We want to look like we were born with it. So that's just what I'm going to do, is just squish it to my eye, and there's my lashes. Some of the other lashes that I have, they're a little bit less expensive. Actually, these Tarte lashes are not that bad for being, they are, let's see, what are they? They're cruelty-free lashes. They are, I believe, let's see. I don't think they're mink lashes. I would have to double check what they are, and I can put that in the description bar. But they were only $12 for these, and they're reusable. This pair I think I've used like 4 or 5 times, and they still have so much wear out of them. Other lashes that I like, I actually got this in a subscription box. They're the Pure lashes, and this is the style Bombshell, and they look like this. They're super cute, super fluffy, natural looking. Can't get it out the box, but that's what those would look like. So they're just very more wispy on the ends here. That's what those look like. More affordable lashes, what I like is the Kiss lashes. There's the single ones. This is a used pack. So let's see. They look like that. And they also have strip lashes, which actually, these are under $10. I think they're like $6 or something like that at any drugstore. And they are strip lashes, and they're actually faux mink lashes, and this style is Little Black Dress, and these are actually one of my favorites from the drugstore for being affordable and, you know, very good quality. The band doesn't hurt your lashes, and it doesn't poke you. It feels very natural. It almost feels like they didn't have a, you know, label on them saying that they're Kiss lashes. I wouldn't know. I would think that they were the, you know, Pure lashes or even velour lashes. I have some of those. These I have as well. I don't remember what the style these are, but here's the velour lashes, and these are about $30 a piece. So they're all natural mink hair, which if you don't want to use them and you don't take care of your lashes very well like I do, I'm very careful with my lashes. I keep them in their box once I'm done. You can get these because they're not too spendy. You can still use them multiple times. So those are some of the lashes that I use. Again, for the glue, I use the the Kiss adhesive lash glue. I haven't tried any other like more expensive ones, but I find this works, so why mess with something that doesn't work? So if you enjoyed my video and you enjoyed what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you'd want to see in the comments down below, and I will see you at your next one.